A complete magnetic rivet has 4 separate pieces, 2 stemmed pieces and 2 identical bases. The first stemmed piece has a disc that is very narrow and a little bump in the middle. This piece fits in the die that has a small crater in the middle. The second stemmed piece is thicker and has a small crater in the middle. This piece fits in the die with the bump in the center. And the rivet base goes in this smallest die. I'm first going to create a hole in my material. I'm using our 2.5 millimeter hole punching dies. Remember that if you're using one of our KAM heavy-duty table presses, you will need an adapter in order for those dies to fit the press. You'll need this single piece adapter base for the DK93 table press and this 2-piece adapter set for the DK98 press. I have the magnetic rivet dies in the press, and the bottom die, as you can see, is the one that has the bump in the middle. That means I'm going to use the piece that has the opposite, which is a crater in the middle. So I'll just place that in the die, put my vinyl through the stem, place the base piece of the rivet on top, and then just press down. To install the other side of the rivet, I'll remove this die and replace it with the one with the crater in the center. And with that die, I'm using the rivet piece with the bump in the center. Place that face down, slip my vinyl over the stem, and I'll put the flat rivet base on top of the stem and snap it on, and then just press down on the handle. If you're using our KX8J professional handheld press, you'll need to use this other method because of the limited vertical space between the dies. Place the rivet stem through your hole and then just snap the rivet base on top. At that point, you'll place the rivet between your dies. For a complete list of everything needed to install these fasteners, you can go to the product listing and click on the Required Tools tab.